Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to enable one-handed mode. To enable one-handed mode on iPhone 17, firstly we have to go to Settings, Accessibility and Touch. Switch this button and one-handed mode is enabled. To bring the top into reach, swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.